Want to be officially organic? India has two key ways to help you get there: NPOP and PGS. In this video, we will break down the NPOP certification process. The National Programme for Organic Production, or NPOP, is India's gold standard. Run by APIDA, it opens doors to premium markets both in India and abroad. You'll work with a third-party certification body approved by APIDA. Labs test your samples. APIDA keeps the system fair, and the final customer gets what they trust. Start by reading the rules. No shortcuts here. Synthetic fertilizers, pesticides restricted and prohibited, or GMOs are banned. Organic farming starts with leaving behind destructive practices and synthetic chemicals. Pick a certifier from the APIDA approved list. Some are regional, some are international. Fees vary, so choose wisely. Your application must be rock solid. Don't forget to include any documents. Ask us in case you need more clarity on any of these documents. Now begins the real journey. 2 to 3 years of full organic practices. No chemicals, no lapses. Just clean inputs and clear records. Because everything will be inspected. For small farmer groups, build an internal control system. Think of it as your organic quality check before the inspectors arrive. The details of an ICS will be explained in later videos, but essentially an ICS acts as a miniature certification body overseeing a farmer group's organic practices to ensure NPOP compliance and reduce certification costs. Expect inspections, announced and surprise. They'll review your fields, inputs, harvest logs, and even test your soil. If you miss something, you'll get a corrective action report or CAR. You must respond to CARs in 15 to 30 days. After the 3-year conversion period, your products can use the India Organic logo. You also get a scope certificate, valid 1 year, confirming your certification. In some cases, the conversion period can be shorter. This is called the derogation period. It applies if your land was already under PGS certification for 3 years with no violations, or your land is in notified hilly areas of the Himalayan or northeastern states with proof of no chemical use for 3 continuous years. For every sale, especially exports, you need a transaction certificate, proof that your batch is certified organic. Request it from your certification body after sale or shipment. It's uploaded on TraceNet, shared with buyers, and checked during audits and customs. Your job isn't over. Keep all records clean and label your products correctly. If you slip up, you could lose your certification. Honesty matters. If you violate standards, especially around inputs, you risk suspension or worse, permanent blacklisting. Costs vary based on your farm size, location, and the certifier. But the investment is worth it. NPOP opens the gate to domestic and global markets, but certification is a commitment. Renew every year and stay organic in spirit and in record. The scope certificate must be renewed before expiry. Apply about 90 days in advance. Renewal takes 2 to 3 months. If it lapses, you cannot sell as organic until the new one is issued. Renewal cost is the annual certification plus inspection fee and varies by certification body. Going organic isn't just a label. It's a journey of trust, transparency, and better farming. Start your certification today